How to turn on page you manage new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page you manage new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find the settings and then click notifications and go down until you find the pages you manage, and then click here and go down, click page interactions and go down. You will find followers of page. If you want to turn it on, just one click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.